This is the Jewel of the Seas Ultra Spacious Ocean View Stateroom. This is going to be room 7004. There's a few of these rooms on deck 7, deck 8 that are ultra spacious, have about 265 square feet, great for parties of 4 to 6 people. Let's take a look at the room and show you how spacious it actually really is. As you enter the room, there's a nice spacious entryway. Looking into the room, you can see the opened area here. In the entryway, there is a closet, double door closet. This has a lot of storage in here, a lot of hanging, double rows of hanging, and then we even stored some luggage in here, so that works out really well. Right when you walk in, there is the door to the bathroom, so you can see the bathroom. The bathroom is regular size, so it's not ultra spacious in the bathroom. It has the sink, toilet, shower, but decent size there, and then a nice mirror on the left wall. As you walk into the room, you can see the couch bed made out. That was left as a bed the whole time. If you only have 4 people, you can leave that as a couch. It doesn't need to be made out. We had 6 people in this room. The king bed here. In the far corner, there is a wardrobe, which has great hanging storage, as well as a shelf up above to be able to store all kinds of items there. So the storage in this room is fantastic. So looking from this corner here, below the windows, they have these 2 port windows that look out the front of the ship. Below them are these dressers, six drawers on each side, so 12 total drawers below the windows. You can store stuff up above the dresser here. Also in this area right here below the window, you can store some things as well. So if you only have 4 people, left as a couch, doesn't have to be made out into a bed. You have that option, so that's where you can fit your 6 people. Here's the desk area. Up above, there's the safe, few shelves there, 6 drawers on either side of the chair, and the glass opens up for storage on the sides as well. Now you do have a couch, you do have a chair here, so great sitting areas. And then you have 6 drawers behind there for storage as well. Inside this compartment, you have the bunk bed area, twin size beds, very, very spacious, and then you also have storage back here. So this room actually had a lot of storage. Even for 6 people, we had excess amount of storage, which is great, which never happens on a cruise ship. So this was great. And there's a curtain there that kind of partitions that area off from the main room if needed. This is 265 square feet. There's not many of these available. If you need to book these for more than 4 people, generally you have to call the customer service line to be able to book this. Anyways, that's a tour of the room. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.